Hello. For this screencast, I'm going to show you how you can pull your parent emails from PowerSchool and dump them into your Gmail so that you don't have to type in each and every single email. So to do that, you're just going to go ahead and sign into PowerSchool. And once you get logged in, you'll be brought to your attendance page. You'll select your homeroom class, and then you'll see right here at the end there should be an envelope. If you click on that envelope, it is going to give you an email list with all of your students' emails as well as all of your parent emails. And if there's more than one parent email, they'll show here. So in order to populate that list of parent emails, I'm just going to click Select All. And I'm actually going to do it for both columns so that I make sure I have all the possible emails. And then you can see down here it's populated those emails that I've selected in this box. And if I click Copy, it's going to copy it to my clipboard. And then I can go ahead to my inbox and compose a letter. So compose, and then again, you want to make sure you blind copy your recipients so that they don't have each other's email. So you're just going to click BCC and paste those emails in there. So now all of those emails are there. Add your subject, whatever it might be, whatever your message is, and then go ahead and hit send. And that's how you pull the emails from PowerSchool into Gmail.